Hey everybody, welcome back for another video. Went and got a load of distillers this morning. Ran down to the ethanol plant for that. Gotta go dump this. Dad's down there pushing up feed with the skid loader. There she be. Had some meetings and stuff this morning, so it's about noon. Getting going on some stuff. Gotta fix our manure spreader because it decided that it wanted to be broken, so now I gotta fix it. I also gotta get the step put back on here. This is getting to be quite a step. But we'll get this unloaded and see what else we get into other than that manure spreader. Got her backed in down here, raising her up. I'll be empty shortly. Stupid and dumb. Takes too long. Well, we got her dumped. And I don't know how well you guys can see that. Yeah, I probably can't see where the crap. But there was some sawdust froze in the front of the trailer that I couldn't get out the last time I dumped her. That all came sliding out, so I guess we'll have to get that cleaned up a little bit. I don't think cows will like the sawdust too much, so we'll have to go pick that up and use it for what it's meant for. This is what the kids have been up to on these warm February days. No snow on the ground, so they're playing in the sand. Drinking some orange juice. Waylon rode with me to get the distillers and we stopped and got some drinks. You got the cap? In the fire truck? Fire truck. In the radio holder.
There it is. I was looking for something orange. Here we go.
Waylon, what are you doing?
Let me get the ice out of there.
You doing dirt work or you hauling poop?
I'm hauling poop.
Oh, you're hauling poop?
Yeah, I did poop.
Just like Grandpa does?
Yeah.
Well, Grandpa's spreader is broke, so he's not hauling any poop right now.
I'm hauling poop.
You're hauling poop? Alright. There's big piles back by the grower barn that you gotta haul out too. Might take you a while with this setup.
Alright.
Alright, checking in with Catherine. What are you up to?
Scrubbing waters.
Scrubbing waters?
Feeding new calves.
Feeding new calves? Is it just a shame that you had to work on your birthday?
At least the cows appreciate that I'm out here on my birthday. I mean, I don't think anyone else does, but I can tell that they appreciate.
Well, I appreciate you're out here on your birthday. I got her, I'm such a nice guy, I got her a rain.
A birthday rain.
A birthday rain. But, yeah, so make sure you wish Catherine a happy birthday down below in the comments.
Also, check out my Venmo.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
She's just kidding. Kinda. But
I do have to say one thing. For the first time in my life, I can go golfing on my birthday.
yeah,
That's
so
never happened to me before.
we're gonna do that at some point here. Not sure which day that's gonna be. But had a new calf, so got the milk warming up in here. It just rotates in a water bath. Gets up to temperature that way. Pretty nice system. But, yeah. Now it looks like Addie got bored of playing out in the yard.
She's stuck with a turtle.
It's good to let him struggle a little bit.
Okay, take that down to the dry cow barn and bring the calf up.
She got herself up here.
So just pop on the glass.
Addie, is that a good idea?
I'm gonna wipe her off there.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Hey, you go get the calf?
Follow us.
Hey.
Follow us, Addie. Yep.
Oh, now she's got it.
All right, follow us down there.
You gonna drive?
Well, she would have put the bucket down there. Other hand is drive.
She's like, I know that. Oh,
She knows she needs her seatbelt. That's good.
Start.
Yeah, here's the cow and the calf.
Hello.
Calf's a little bit dirty. Wasn't born in the pen, so. But Mama's got her licked up pretty good, so we'll get her into a nice embedded box. You gonna feed her now?
Yep.
She says, I don't want you. Heifer calf. You can tell by the way it is. It's been a while since we did a Jersey update. This was our escape artist, so she's taking up permanent residence in the fresh pen here because it's the only one she can't find a way out of. And she's just as nosy as always. Catherine tries to just give her voice controls.
She listens to me.
Does she?
She does when the dogs aren't down here.
Catherine's getting this calf tube fed. We tube feed all the calves their colostrum just so we know it gets into them well.
And they can start getting that antibody immunity.
Dang right.
The IHGs.
We could bottle feed them, but usually they get like tired about halfway through because we give them a gallon. And then you gotta go get the tuber anyway, so we just, tubing is just our primary protocol.
And it works for us.
Works well for us. Are we filling the middle pen up, or what's
Yes, I got a list.
okay? We gotta get a few more cows in here because
There's only what?
4.
Yeah, we can put 4 more in here.
We can put 6 more in here. We have 10 working stalls now.
Okay, well, I have.
Since we did that renovation there just before Christmas. I think we talked about that on here, maybe not. But all those stalls were broke off and laying down. Now we mounted them on a rail system and worked out very well. It's a lot more comfortable. She is taking up all that immunity.
She's in colostrum bliss right now.
Yeah, that's how I look after eating at the buffet. Ooh, crap.
Really?
Move along, calf. We're gonna put you in a hoop. Come on. Oh. Come on. Walk with me. All right. All these boxes are full. The rest are dirty. Catherine wants to clean them tomorrow. Ow! I guess that's why you shouldn't wear pliers on your belt. Get hung up. Come on. I'm gonna put this little calf in here. So that,
Just until tomorrow, and she can have her own new
and she can have her own condominium.
own condo.
Catherine's getting her tagged, so we know who she is, where she came from.
Who her mama is, who her daddy is, who her grandpa is, who her grandma is.
Whole family history.
Whole family tree. That did not go in good.
It's in there all the way. They're just, their ears are so
you
small.
sure?
Yeah.
It doesn't feel it.
I don't think it's gonna come out. If it does, it's your fault.
See, this is why I want to double check. Let me see.
There. 2846. We'll remember you. There, we finally got her where she needs to be.
In her new penthouse open air apartment.
Yep.
Temporary.
If you're ever looking for a good use for used elevator buckets, tag holders are
Grab me a different jacket.
a great way to repurpose them. Dip bigger or what?
No, this one only has one strap. That one has 2.
She thinks I can't count. Well, you think I can't count?
No, I just didn't know if you could see it.
Oh, I see. Why are you putting a jacket on her?
Because she hasn't ate since she was born and she's shivering.
Oh, I see.
Up to a little bit of a rough.
So she's not in a superb condition.
At least she's up.
She's up, that's a bonus.
It looks like she's finally pooped.
That's good. Addie, did you go get that cow pills? Alright, you gonna carry the pill gun? Oh, probably should call it a pill gun, huh? A bolus applicator?
Polish?
Alright, let's go. Don't walk in the wet areas, Addie. You're gonna trip. There you go.
She got that good chest grip on it.
She does. Follow me. Bless you. Addie's gonna load the bolus applicator for me. Put the pills in. All right, where's the last one? One more behind you. Turn around. Turn around. It's right there. Addie, it's right there. There you go. You want to hold the camera? There we go, all done. Well, I'm gonna get to work on this manure spreader. Waylon's here to help. Got his bike. Yeah, ride that thing. Do some jumps and stuff. But this problem, I believe, is right back here. So I don't think it should be. Oh, no, I can't do it.
You need be strong.
Need two hands.
You need be. Hey.
See that? I believe that's a little wore out.
We touched my poo.
Allowing it to
Not
move
touch
quite a
it.
bit. So we're gonna take all that apart, see where that gets us. So far going better than anticipated. Get this soaked down. Turns over pretty nice yet. Just a lot of end-to-end play. That should not be there, but Dad went over by my uncle and got a big puller, so I'll get that put together and one of them hydraulic deals. Pretty nice. Makes jobs like this a lot easier when you have the right tools. there. I think that's how it's supposed to be. And I got the puller on there. Now I'll just start jacking it. Apply some pressures. Might have to do a little more jacking. Well, it hasn't come off yet. I took the puller off so I didn't have to worry about wrecking it with the heat. So we're just going to take some time and heat her up, I guess. Then we'll see how she goes. Well, we finally got some movement out of it. I'm going to run out of stroke now. Took a lot of heating. An almost excessive amount of heating. But I might have stopped heating it too soon. It doesn't feel like it's going anymore again.